Folks, you just can't imagine how much fun we're having here today. Just wanted to invite you over for our spring Easter home tour right here on my take on home and garden. Come on over and enjoy our English country manor house style. Might open your eyes for something different. Folks, we're so glad you could make it for our Easter home tour and get some ideas and be excited. And if you like what you see, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now, we love our vintage and antique, and we'll mix in a little modern. And we always like a little buffet for the holiday when we have company and family and friends, and we're going to sit down to a nice dinner. If you've watched our individual room by room decor, you'll recognize that as well. If you haven't seen it, you can go back and see each room in more detail. Now, I'm gonna pop in and out to visit, like this wonderful key lime pie. The covered cake dish is not empty anymore. So, if you live in the South, you might want a key lime pie. These little guys just start coming out of nowhere. But I'm going to reduce the talking so you can enjoy the beautiful music. Some think I do a lot of floral arrangements, and I want to quickly explain too. We have a show, obviously. I want to show you things that you can do. I don't expect people to have 6 arrangements in their kitchen or their living room. But in order to really show you as much as possible, that's why we do it. Love the Bavarian kitchen table this year. An Asian flavor. You see, the whole house is not the same. Matchy, matchy, we can't go there. So, I love different theme vignettes and areas or room by room. I'm not a big pastel guy, but Easter's the time to get it out and show it off. know we're collectors and we're gonna show things to the max. That's what you're seeing in our typical English country manor house style. We don't hide everything in the cupboard, in the cabinet, so it'll never get seen or touched or broke. We want it out to enjoy, and we're gonna mix it around by the season. From genuine oil paintings to Royal Albert, fabulous tables in the Noritake azalea dinnerware and a Nippon cocoa pot. Strawberry cream milk glass, and I'm gonna mix to give a delightful table like this of your vintage pieces. And it is so special to sit down at a table that looks that good. I probably don't have to tell you. Make it special a few times a year. It's not that hard. Each little area is a vignette to make you smile. And the fun, of course, is putting it together. Spring and Easter has colors like we don't normally see together for the rest of the year, so it's very special. We see a lot of bunnies and things to make us smile, and little kids smile, but we all know why this season's so special is our wonderful Lord's resurrection and ascension. He rules and He makes it all happen. And we brightened up the top of the cabinet for the home tour. This is the only time I think I can use a pastel blue swan. but he's just gorgeous with the rest. Some of you saw the loft makeover. If you didn't, there's a good video on that. There's a video on our collection of art and oil paintings. This is in the Greco-Roman and Egyptian flavor with some nautical feathered in, by the way. Love some beautiful barnacles and coral pieces, and they're not all out here. But we have over 500 videos in our channel library, friends. They do not go away. If you're new here and you missed something, you can go back in and select what you like. They do not leave. They stay like a library. And of course, the master bedroom. We have to have those touches for each season and make it cozy and nice. More Greco-Roman and bronze and Carrara marble. Now you regular folks, you see what those pillowcases did to change the mood. And speaking of changing the mood, I had to do something with Angela's teapot. Her personal little floral arrangement. She wants violets, living violets in there, but I can't find them yet. And love the Italian porcelain roses. Guys, this was a recent eBay auction, and I'm telling you, I was over the moon. Little nesting rabbits. The baby is on the egg, and they nest up together. Too cute, I've never seen them. Now guys, we hope you enjoyed our home tour, Spring Easter for 2023. Can you believe it's over already? Moving along. We got shopping to do. You know, we're gonna fill in the week for you, and we're gonna make it fun. See you soon on the incredible Decorating and Collector Maximalist Home Network.